What's up guys? Today we're going to take a look this brand new Spider helmet. Yan. Wow. Look at that. This is a photochromic Spider helmet. But before that, this video is sponsored by me. So I pay for this one. Oh no, actually my wife bought this from Canada all the way to the Philippines and Antipolo going to Cavite to um, to get this motorcycle helmet from Motosen. It comes with bag, with t-shirt. It's large, so I'm only small. With baklava, baklaka, sorry, baklava, balaklava, sorry. And these two intercoms are different. So my wife bought this intercom, so I have two pairs of intercom, but she bought it differently. We're going to take a look on that as well, review how to connect and how to set it up on my helmet. I already have XGP right here, so I'm using the XGP. And let's talk about this helmet. So this helmet is a day and night helmet. Look at that, it's flaming red. If you put it in the sun, right, like that, it's transition to flaming red. And if you put it on the dark at night, this will clear out. See, you can still see my hand inside, so it will clear out. It will transition to clear, not totally clear. There are still some tint on it, but you can see your face. Yan. So now we're gonna try this one. It's light. Actually, it's light. Not like this. This one is heavy. It's not really heavy, but it's heavier than this. And I have this dual visor. And switch. This one is only a single visor because you don't need two visor because it's already day and night. That it's so clear, it's so good, so nice. My helmet size is only small and this is medium. I tried it already and it fits on me. I don't know, it's Asian size. It's ECE and DOT. Oh no, ECE 2205 certification. Okay, let's try this now. All right, it's so soft, and this is a quick release. Look how easy is that. One pull, and yeah, can you hear that? And that is so easy. One pull, and easy to connect. That is so easy, and the cushion is so soft. No play. Even it's medium. And this one comes with a clear visor, a bag, and this bag, t-shirt which is large, doesn't fit on me because I am small. We have two intercom, but my wife bought this separately. This is the cheapest that she got it in the market. So I have two of this one, white and. What's the good thing about this? You can connect two devices. You can connect your cell phone if you have separate GPS, or you can vlog. You can connect your GoPro, Insta360 X5 or DJI action camera while your cell phone is connected and listening to the music. And then we're gonna show you how to install this, put it on the helmet, and how to pair it. And you have a ventilation here, that, and right here, and you have a spoiler right there. Nice. So this will be my main helmet, my vlogging, my main helmet. From time to time, I'm going to change to my small helmet. Okay, and we are going for a ride. See you again next time. Bye.